This is an update on gold. I just wanted to do this video because we can see that that was my wave count on gold a few days ago until yesterday. I'm not sure, but I think it's a second wave. The only problem is now this second wave doesn't look like a second wave because it looks more like an impulse wave. Okay, it is not corrective, because if it was corrective, it would be a pattern in 3 waves, and we can't see this pattern. So I'm not sure if it's wave 2. If I look at the 60 minutes chart, could be, like I said, it looks like an impulse wave. You can see it could be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so in that case, gold will move higher. It may pull back to do the 4th wave about 1830, and then after that it will rally again. Alternatively, maybe that was the 4th wave, and now we are going higher. So that's a possible wave count, because, as I said, if that rally from last week, if that rally was the second wave, it would be in clear A, B, and C, and we don't see that pattern. Okay, what we are seeing is more like a kind of, it looks like an impulse wave, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The only thing is, I'm not sure if wave 4 is complete. Maybe wave 4 will go lower later, and then after that it will rally to wave 5. So what we are saying here, if that is the correct wave count, there will be an opportunity to buy gold, but I think not immediately, because you can see that you get that move done here for wave 4. So that is the first impulse wave, and then you get a bigger decline for the corrective wave, so maybe like that. And then it rallies again to new high. Okay, so that's a possible wave count, which means that going short gold here is not a good idea. But this is assuming this is a wave count. Okay. On the daily chart, that was my previous wave count, because I thought that there was a zigzag A, B, and C, and that's why gold would go lower. And now I'm not sure, because of this move up, which is like an impulse wave. The other thing is that the problem with gold at the moment is that it is difficult to know, based on the fundamental, it is difficult to know which way, because on one hand, we've got some more stimulus coming. The US government is going to produce more stimulus, and this is bullish for gold. And but at the same time, we are in an economic recovery, and the economic recovery is what they call the reflation, and that means it's bearish for gold. So we've got two situations: stimulus, which is bullish for gold, and reflation, which is bearish for gold. And it's difficult at this stage to know what to focus on. The reason why gold has rallied from last week is because the weak economic data, in particular the weak non-farm payroll, and because of that, investors expect more stimulus, and as a result, that's why we got this rally in gold. But as I said, it is difficult to know, because at the same time the economy is recovering. We've got the vaccine, and when you are in an economic recovery, in general, gold will not perform well, because bond yields are going to rise. And that's what's happening. But of course, if you have inflation at the same time, and you can get rising bond yields, but in real terms, those yields are going down, and that is bullish for gold. So at the moment, I'm not too sure what the pattern is, because here, what we could have also is an end to wave C. It could be that, because this is an impulse wave going down from the top of wave B, so it's possible that decline is complete, because it didn't break below the previous low. You can see it stopped here. So it's possible that this is wave 1. That I don't know, something like that. And then we'll get a pullback. And then it will move higher. It's another scenario. So at the moment, I'm not too sure if gold is going up or down. So